So this is how you make an Indian dosa. Get a little bit of water, like that. What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere coming at you from my home in Miami, Florida. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to make for you Indian breakfast versus American breakfast. Yes, the Indian dosa from southern India versus the delicious American pancake. These are my favorite breakfasts on the planet. I really enjoy eating them, but today I'm going to show you how you make them. If you guys don't know, they're a little different. You know, Indian dosa is made with lentils and rice flour or semolina and rice flour, and American pancake is made with all-purpose flour. I'm gonna make 3 different variations of each. I got a few surprises in there I'm gonna show you that I've been doing my whole life. But quickly, before we start cooking, I wanna thank NordVPN for sponsoring this video. It's perfect for travelers like me, but everyone should use NordVPN to protect all their devices and keep their information secure, whether they're on the road or at home. With NordVPN, you can secure up to 6 devices at a time. And best of all, with over 5,500 servers in 59 countries around the world, NordVPN allows you to enjoy fast and stable internet connection virtually anywhere. The great thing about NordVPN is that it's fully compatible with most operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and Linux. It even comes with a lightweight extension for Google Chrome that secures your browsing system within seconds. It also allows you to unlock your favorite entertainment websites, including Netflix, so you can safely stream your favorite movies and TV shows while you're on the go. And best of all, if you have any issues with it, NordVPN offers 24/7 support via live chats and emails, so you can always get your questions and concerns addressed. To get started with NordVPN, check out the link in the description and use my promo code DBH to get NordVPN for $3.49 per month. That's a 70% savings off the original price, and as a bonus, they're gonna give you 1 month free. Now you guys ready to start cooking some Indian food versus American food? Let's go. And for the dosa, we have a tawa griddle. This is how you make your dosa. And then over here we have a regular non-stick pan for the pancakes. So for the Indian dosa, you need the batter and you need a few more ingredients. Onion, lime juice, coriander, and jalapeno for green chili. We're gonna start off with the onion, cut the ends off. And then we're gonna cut a little bit like this, so we can peel this. Okay, the reason why I'm doing a rough chop is because I'm gonna put it into a blender. You know, that's my secret, how to like get through this a lot faster. You know, if not, we have to dice this all up. So let me just cut that a little bit. All right. So pick it all up. So now we have the onions chopped up. Next up, we have to take the stems off here, right? Cilantro stems off, leaves into the blender. Just keep going. Just gotta finish this up. And once we're done here, we're gonna get the lime. We're gonna cut the lime and just basically squeeze it all in. Just put enough of this. Perfect. So let's cut these limes in half. Squeeze it here so we can catch the seeds. You don't want seeds to be grinded up. Ugh. Last time I had a dosa, man, I think it was in Varkala or somewhere in northern Kerala. Well, no seeds came out. Perfect. Okay, so I couldn't find a green chili, so we're using jalapeno. So you have to cut it right here, right? Take that off, then cut it in half, right? And if you want it spicy, leave all the seeds. Because my wife is eating with me today, we're gonna take out all the seeds. Just kind of like get in here and just get rid of them, right? Take them all out, okay? And then the same thing here. So first things first, down the middle, and then come together, chop, chop. So that's our last ingredient, jalapenos. Ooh, this one's spicy, I can smell it. We're gonna blend these ingredients first and then add the batter. That way, you know, all the flavor will be the same or, you know, uniform at the end. All right, I think that's good. Woo! Oh wow, look at that. So there we have it, a bright green watery paste. So next step, we have to mix the batter with water, right? And this is the batter I got it online. Rava Dosa has all the instructions on the back. So everything we just did tells you how to do it right here. And then we have to get 1 cup of batter, okay? So 1 cup. It's exactly 1 cup. That goes in first. So we need 1.5 cups. Next, we have to mix the batter with the water. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Then after that, we'll blend everything in the blender. Okay, let it sit there for 5 minutes. All right, guys, 5 minutes are up. Now we mix. All right. So this is how you make an Indian dosa. Get a little bit of water, like that, you know, clean it. Obviously I don't have ghee, I only have butter. Okay, woo! And then we're gonna start with a plain dosa. So the best thing to do is to like that, spread it all the way around. So I think I need to flip it one more time because it's not crispy enough. Hold on. And this is my plain dosa. Looks like a sponge dosa. You know, it takes a lot of practice to make it crispy and delicious like they do it in Southern India. Next up, let's make the veg dosa. Doing that. Butter. There we go. So for the veg dosa, we have potato curry right here. My friends at Bollywood Masala made it for me. Look at this. This looks amazing. Smells so good. So what you have to do is once this is ready, we put it in. Okay, so let's put the potato curry on top. So you gotta put it on top, stuff it basically like a taco, right? Just like that. And that, my friends, is a veg dosa. This is the surprise dosa I was telling you about. I've never tried a Nutella dosa. I'm excited, and what we did is we just used the rest of the, the mix with water, blended it, and here we have it. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit till it's ready. The way we're gonna do it is as soon as it's ready, it's a little crispy, I'm gonna take a big glob of Nutella, spread it down the middle, then fold it. So we spread the Nutella, looks ready to me. So now, gotta fold it like that. Oh yeah. It's pretty hard to do this. And that's it, our 3 dosas. Oh, look at that. What a beauty. Plain, veg, Nutella. All right, now that we finished making the dosas, it's time to make pancakes. American pancakes, my favorite. Ever since I was a kid, I've been eating pancakes. I used to mix it, in a bowl. My dad showed me the best thing to do is mix the pancake batter or pancake mix with water in a blender. Speeds up the process, right? So what do we have to do? 3/4 cups of water and 1 full cup of pancake mix. This is exactly a cup. Mix it right here. All right, let's blend this. All right, that's done. Woo! All right. Okay, perfect. As you can see, more bubbles in the batter means fluffier pancakes. Make sure the pan is hot. Pretty hot, have it on medium. Get a little bit of butter. Not too much. The mix. As you can see, it's already fluffing up. Okay, so once you see tons of bubbles, should be ready to flip. You don't want to burn it. I feel like this one's burning. Oh, it's perfect. Okay. And that's it. Pancake is ready. Right there. Boom. Beautiful pancake. Very fluffy. A little bit of butter. Drop it right there. So this one, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some chocolate chips. I love doing this for my kids. A little more. I had to put like at least like 15 to 25 chocolate chips. Make it really chocolatey. They love chocolate. As you can see, the chocolate chips are getting melty. If you want to check if it's almost there, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna flip it. And I love this part because once you flip it, then the chocolate chips really melt and mix with the batter well. Give it a few seconds, give it a minute. All right, so I think it's done. Put it right here. Just make a regular plain pancake with the rest of the batter. It's gonna be a big one. This is gonna be our Nutella pancake. I'm gonna show you how I do it. It's really special. My grandmother showed me this like 25 years ago. God rest her soul. This is like the Italian style pancake, Americanized. So let's flip this. Oh, this is a big pancake. And that's it. Our pancake is ready. It's a big pancake. So here we have the 3 dosas and the 3 pancakes. The only one that's not finished is the Nutella one. So let's do that first. Get a big, oh. So I just spread all the Nutella like that. That's too little. And then what I do is, well, it's a huge pancake though. So that's pretty good, right? Let's get a little more. I feel like there's a lot of empty spots here. So what my grandmother taught me was to turn this into like a cigar, right? So you just roll it up, bam, like that. So we would just like roll like 100 and just go all out. So what you'll notice is that the American pancakes is more of a sweet breakfast. Indian style, Indian dosas is more savory. Obviously this one's like a dessert, but that's an invention of mine, right? So I'm gonna start off with the regular ones first. I'm gonna cut right here. So cut it in half. Okay, and then I'll cut one of these in half. And then for this one, I'm gonna use syrup. Right there. So I poured some syrup. So we're gonna start off with the American pancake first with some maple syrup. Brings back my childhood. Super sweet. It's like so decadent. It's delicious. It's a pretty thin pancake, you know, not crispy at all, very fluffy. And over here we have the dosa. So plain dosa. Savory, lots of spices. Wow, you can really taste the jalapenos. That's crazy. The classic dosa usually is a little crispier, less fluffy. I guess, you know, my first time, I'm not really pro at this. But I also have some mint chutney, mint coconut chutney. There you go. With that, marriage made in heaven. Wow. So what's next? Woo! Chocolate chip pancakes. Cut this guy in half. This is one of my favorite pancakes ever. Like I said, I tried it when I was like 5 at IHOP. My kids love it. My sister gives it to her kids. It's you know, super decadent breakfast, but it doesn't even need syrup. It's that sweet. Next up, we have the veg dosa. Look at this beauty. I'm gonna cut this because I'm sharing it with some family members. But, you know, usually you pick it up like that. So this is savory dosa. Lots of spices in here. Incredible aloo, so potatoes. You know, usually it'd be a little crispier. This one's a little too doughy for me. It's either super crispy, super doughy like a sponge dosa, or in the middle. Mine's just like, it's way more fluffy than a sponge dosa. Not bad for my first time. And now we have the Nutella pancake versus Nutella dosa. Same filling, Nutella, different batter, and you're supposed to eat them both with your hands. So that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. Let's take a big bite of this one. Oh, this is incredible. It's like Nutella's just oozing out. Super fluffy. And here we have the dosa. All right, let's try it. To be honest, it tastes almost identical. So Nutella dosa has spices, American pancake doesn't. So if you like some spices, some more savoriness to your pancake or your dosa, go with this one. And this is my last bite, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. Indian dosa versus American pancake. So what's the difference? Well, the dosa takes a lot longer. You need more ingredients, You need to, you know, fire up the griddle, have a special griddle, in fact, not just a regular pan. The American pancakes, a lot easier to make, right? Just put them on the pan, flip them, done. Add some chocolate chips if you want, add Nutella, syrup. So this is more of like a sweet breakfast. This is definitely more savory. I highly recommend the, you know, the coconut chutney. That's the best with either the plain dosa or with the veg dosa. There's so many different dosas too. If you go to South India, there's like 100 different variations. So if you guys didn't notice, I'm wearing my dosa t-shirt and my Kerala headgear. I had to get in the mood, you know, making dosas, just taking me back to Southern India. I really enjoy dosas. My favorite breakfast in India by far. And this one in America. Go with the Nutella one. You'll be addicted. Alright guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure. I don't know, Miami, India, who knows?